Back with another video. Got my little helper here with me. I got most of the parts. I got that AC fan, or whatever, the main fan. I got a radiator. I got this new little shroud thingy, whatever. And I got a radiator support, and then I'm keeping that thing because that was good. Pretty much what I got. Pretty much want to put the radiators back together. And put coolant into it. That's my main goal for right now. I didn't do no time lapses when I was taking it apart because I was just in a rush and just so excited. But I pretty much got all my parts. I just need to go pick up a hood. And then this right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. You see this little fender right here is bent in. I don't think that's a big deal. I think a guy can fix it. It shouldn't be a problem at all. So hopefully we'll get that taken care of. And yeah, so I dropped my bumper off today. The guy said he'll fix it because I couldn't find a bumper nowhere, and I'm the kind of type of guy that I just like keeping everything OEM as possible. So even if fixing my old bumper costs me more, I'm the type of guy that's gonna do that. Because I don't know, for some reason I like keeping everything as original as possible. So I dropped that off. He's gonna work some magic on it, and then yeah, I just gotta take him the fender so we can blend the paint onto them, and then take him the hood, and then yeah, pretty much that's what we got for now. So it's a little harder to film with a little rascal over there. My wife does work nights, so he's on me. So I did get the radiator all plugged back in. It's all plumbed and all ready to go. So here's the old support. Sorry guys, I don't do like a time lapse. It's kind of hard to set it up in a small space. I got everything transferred. Well, the only thing that's transferred is you pretty much transfer the hood latch or whatever hood lock, and then I put the fan on from that. Actually, no, this is a new fan. So I put the fan on this radiator support. My buddy just keeps doing work. Nice hide.
Papa.
Yes. But yeah, guys, here I want to put this radiator support on now.
Papa.
Here, go ahead. He wants to film. Alright, so next step here, what I did, as you can see, I'm already putting oil in. I did an oil change, placed the oil filter. I am like one of those paranoid guys. I just want to especially my own stuff. You know, I even let the oil drain out overnight. I mean, there wasn't much left in there, but I just let it sit overnight for it to get every drop out. I don't know, like, I'm pretty paranoid when it comes to my own stuff. So I'm filling up the oil now, replace the filter. Ask for the best recommendation of oil. This is what my dad's friend mechanic said. This is what he puts in all M cars, turbocharged, supercharged, and like these kind of motors. It's like $11.50 a quart or a liter, whatever. I just bought 10 liters just to have some left over. Like, I don't know if you guys saw, I did take off these fenders. I took them to the paint guy because I want to do a blend because I'm painting the hood. Like, I had to get a new hood. The guy fixed my bumper, and then I got to do a blend on the fenders. I don't know if you guys ever saw. I took off my trunk lid as well because it was damaged. I had the guys fix. I didn't want to get a new one. I didn't want to paint underneath. It was bad, but they fixed it. So we're putting that back as well soon. I think he said in a few days I'm gonna have the parts back. But yeah, that's why I took the fenders off. And then when I'm putting the parts back on, I'm gonna try to do a little better documentation of that. But yeah, let's get this oil in and finished up. See you guys after that. This light compared to that light. Look at this. Oh yeah. Compared to this. That light or that light? I pick that light.